invested in Jolta Electric, a brand from Pakistan that manufactures electric bikes. Back then, there was nobody. He was the only one. Many people must have come to him, told him, you're going to make a mistake. He made that, but that turned into a very, very successful venture. And that energy behind this vision made it a successful venture. Capitalizing on the success, he diversified. There are 14 distinctive clusters. I will not bore you with further details because you have them. Very soon we are going to launch, inshallah, with your support and prayers in Saudi Arabia and also other parts of the GCC. Now, where do we find that spirit of togetherness? Where is the one place on earth where you find the spirit of togetherness? That is Dubai. So the very heart of the spirit of union, Meer Group today formally inaugurates its core business operations with your help and support. Not letting you wait any further, I would like to have all of us give the man a standing ovation. I present to you Dr. Shakeel Ahmad Meer.
So first of all, I really appreciate all the honorable guests from your precious time. You managed to come here, and the story I'm going to tell you, it's my story, it's Meer Group stories, and also the people who are attached with me. Because I feel the success is not because I'm a genius or I'm a hard worker. My real success is I managed to work with amazing people like yourself, and I somehow know how to add the strength of all with me. And then we have a saying in Urdu, ek aur ek 11 hote hain, which means 1 and 1 is not 2, 1 plus 1 is not 2, it's 11. So this has been the motto, and the spirit of togetherness comes from forefathers here, the local. If you can see in Dubai, in UAE, there are like more than 200 nationalities. In Dubai alone, correct me doctor if I'm wrong, like there's more than 80% expats. So they have really learned that how to attract the talent from all over the world, bring it here and let them fulfill their dreams, and in the process, their nation progresses as well. So this is exactly what our motto is. I had very humble beginnings. Mirpur Azad Kashmir from Pakistan. I was born there, and it was a small town, not even well known anywhere, and a very humble family as well. But even when I was very young, I had a big dream that I want to do something in life. But at that time, absolutely no idea, no resources available. I was good, bright in education. My parents wanted me to be a doctor, like medical doctor, but I hated biology and all the subjects, and I didn't want to, dissect people. Because I had a big vision, I needed to go to an international stage. I moved to UK, completed my master's degree from there, and then PhD as well. But in the beginning, I thought my dream was be a really good professional, have a really good job, which pays good money. I have a car and house and family, etc. When I achieved all this, I was still not fulfilled. So I didn't know. I went on a spiritual journey where I spent years in researching in science and somehow philosophy, neuroscience, quantum physics, and ultimately spirituality. So it took me 5 years to figure out really what I want. And what it was like, you believe or you don't believe, there is some sort of power. You call it God, you call it whatever name you want to give. And I felt like we're sent to this world to not to worry about ourselves, but to play a role, a positive role for other people, for the world. And that's where the magic starts to happen. As long as we keep worrying about ourselves, we're not able to do anything big. As soon as you turn your attention toward other people, it makes a big difference. Anyway, probably I'm the only guy on social media who tells all the secrets. Any project I launch, I tell everything. How I started, how I launched it, what is my USP. And somehow, almost every project these days I launch, they become multi-million-dollar projects within, very short span of time. So the spirit of togetherness is the motto, because I realize give is one of the values I have. All across my companies, whatever we earn, 10% of that goes to charitable work. And also collaboration. Meer Group Consortium is the idea where investors, so we have investment firms within the group. We have, as Dr. Umair mentioned, we have electric bike project, we have real estate, we have IT, we have e-commerce, and so many different media, other projects. And then there are businesses who get connected with me and Meer Group from all over the world, and especially give to those who really deserve. So I welcome you everyone. Thank you very much. I would say one last thing, the Meer Group is not Meer's group, it's everyone like who's sitting here. I would hope that all of you become part of it and we enjoy the success together as well as we create the impact together. Thank you very much.